So colorful, so fun. I'm so glad that I started using these sewing clips around my studio. They're so easy to use, and I'm glad that somebody finally figured out that we should maybe use clips instead of pins for all our sewing, or in addition to pins. And these are about an inch long, and they open to be about a half an inch wide, and I can use them to hold pieces of my patterns together. And when I send out patterns in the mail to customers, I can clip them like that and usually add a few more. But I can use these, of course, so easily to sew my back seams of my hats together. And it's super easy. I can pin them away from where I'm sewing, and I don't need to sew over a pin like I've been doing for years now. And also, I don't jab myself. But you could use a pin to help right there in the center. The clips work good when they're with pins or without. And you see, I have a little supply, a stash on the side of my sewing machine ready to go. And as I'm just making a breeze out of this back seam, also with the help of another tool, my magnetic seam guide, but that's another video. And because of these clips, the seam is nice and neat. And I'm just going to fold that in half to make the band for my hat. And I'll clip those two raw edges together. And I did an edge stitch, but no holes in the fabric like I would have had with this broken pin, or jabs in my unsuspecting poor little finger. But of course, if you come in contact with these clips with your finger, hey, look, no pain.